By 2026, 94 million jobs vanish, not predictions. Actual forecasts from McKinsey. Right now, OpenAI's GPT-4 handles 78% of white-collar work. That's not future talk. That's happening today. Number 1. ChatGPT Pro replaced 47,000 customer service reps last quarter alone. Zendesk confirmed it. Your support job is gone. Number 2. Google's NotebookLM automates entire research departments. Financial firms already ditched 12,000 analysts. That's documented. Not speculation. These aren't new tools anymore. They're job killers with venture funding. Your salary is next. Check your role against these 5 tools right now. If you can describe your job in text, code, or data, it's replaceable, probably by Christmas. This isn't motivation. This is survival information. Action matters more than watching videos. Update your skills or get updated out. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI, every day.